This new moon is a new start. It's not only a new start because it's a new moon, and every new moon is about new stars, new beginnings. It's also a new beginning because, well, it's the beginning of the detachment of our old self. Welcome everyone. Here I'm going to explain you why this is a very important moon. Every moon in Aquarius create a tendency in the personality to detach from our emotions. So people that born with this kind of moon are people that can detach perfectly from the environment, from the emotions. In reality, they are detaching from their emotions, but well, people feel that they are detaching from the environment, from the people around. They have this ability to disconnect completely from their emotions so they can focus in what Uranus wants, in what Aquarius wants, move into the future, produce a transformation. So that is what we're going to feel with this new moon in Aquarius. We're going to start to detach from our old self. Our old self start to die in 2020. In 2023, it has its most important battle, an inner battle that everybody on earth suffered during that time. And 2024 puts us through the final stage of letting go everything that we need to let go from our old self, a self that cannot be sustained in a new era. If we want to create a new era, we need to make an inner change. And that inner change is going to be manifested during 2025. And we're going to watch that in society because people is going to start to get out being more authentic to their own essence. The whole point of evolution to become more authentic, to embody your soul. So this moon is going to help us to detach for all those emotions that we had been feeling from 2020, 21, 22, and stronger during 2023 and 2024, that we had this strong energy of Scorpio, the energy of Lilith that help us to let behind people, situations, and ideas, paradigms that doesn't work for us anymore, to embody more myself so I can fulfill my purpose in life. And this new moon is going to be an opportunity for us to be the new one, to be the new self, to really manifest that new self that is anxious to appear. These two movements that are going to help a lot, not only this new moon, this new beginning, that for me is a new beginning in the personality of everyone that has been doing changes during the last 5 years, because that change is going to be manifested in reality. And there's two movements that are going to help a lot to you, to me, and to everybody to be the new person that is necessary for this new era. The first one is the aspect that the new moon is making to Chiron. Chiron is the wounded healer. Chiron is the asteroid that help us to heal our inner wounds. And well, now it's transiting by Aries. And well, for a while we have been with a priority to heal ourselves. Everybody is now healing a part of themselves. Could be physically, could be emotionally, or could be psychologically. But we are all working on into heal ourselves. And to heal yourself is to become a more authentic version of yourself. embodying more and more parts of your soul, while you are letting behind all those patterns of behavior of the ego that cannot accompany us to the future, to the new version of yourself. So that's why this new moon is very important, because this sextile that the moon is doing to Chiron in Aries from the energy of Aquarius is helping us to heal more and in a more detached way from the emotions, our individuality, the capacity to take action from ourselves. The other movement that is going to help to this moon, and that is a very good aspect, is a trine from the energy of the new moon in Aquarius to the energy of Jupiter, that right now is transiting from the energy of Gemini. As you know, well, Gemini and Aquarius are very similar energies. Both are air energies. And Gemini is all about communication, communication with my close environment, communication with my neighborhoods, communication with my family, communication with my friends. And Jupiter is expanding that. But Jupiter has been retrograde for a while. That moment of retrogradation of Jupiter in the energy of Gemini was taking a little part of our inner confidence, because Jupiter is the one that make us trust in the process, trust blindly in the process. And we have been doubting a lot of ourselves. But this new moon with this trine is going to stop that. And that's fantastic. That's fantastic for you, for me, and for everybody to move to our new version, the version of ourselves that is here to fulfill the purpose on earth, to contribute with the cosmic order. And that trine is going to get us a strong feeling of trusting, trusting in the new you, trusting in the new me, of course, trusting in that the process is how it is, and we need to flow with it, whatever is happening. From the moment that Neptune entered in the energy of Pisces in 2011, we had been handling all this quantity of emotions that the energy of Pisces, because Neptune rules Pisces, was sending to us. There's no casuality that many people evoke during this time, and that many people started to connect more with their inner essence, with their soul, and with their purpose. Because, well, Neptune was transited to send that energy. But from the moment that in 2022 Saturn entered the energy of Pisces, we start to feel the restrictions of the father played by Saturn, the energy of restriction, the energy of discipline. And well, it has been a hard time for us, because, well, we needed to continue doing our work here on Earth, because Saturn was equilibrating that energy of Pisces. So we weren't only in that kind of the spirituality that is only being like connected, and nor seeing the reality that is happening outside us, the reality that our psyche is projecting, so we can take the learnings. So Saturn was saying, okay, it's perfect that you awoke, but now we're going to get down into earth, where you need to apply the real spirituality. So the search of that equilibrium transformed us completely. And now 2025 is the year that we're going to show that metamorphosis to the world, because the new era is going to be created from all our individual psyches through the collective psyche, but through our inner change, the change that we have been doing during these years. And well, this moon is going to give us like a little rest, like, okay, you can go, you know, you can go detach from your old self completely. So you can have a taste of what you can do. And with that, you're going to have the confidence that Jupiter is going to bring you from the energy of Gemini to communicate to others who you really are and to continue healing that individuality far from that strong connection with the emotions that get us a little tired because we are feeling, and at the same time taking responsibilities that Saturn put us over Pisces. This is going to be like a space for everybody to show who they are without that strong feeling or emotion, and it's going to help us to had a little taste of what we can do during this era of Aquarius. That's why, for me, this new moon is a new star that comes with a lot of movements and, well, also probably unexpected movements because remember that Aquarius is all about uncertainty and unexpected things. So, probably we're going to have movements, not only external movements of people, situations, also inner movements within ourselves that surprise us in the way that we can react to things. Because remember that whatever is happening outside, the reaction is always your responsibility. And it's the one that you need to adjust to become more authentic. Well, and with this, I tell you everything that I want. So I hope you have a great new moon during these days, and we'll see you soon. Ciao. Take care.